What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to watch YouTube content on your TV by linking your devices. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Watching YouTube videos and live streams on a smart TV elevates the experience, offering videos on a larger screen with enhanced image and sound quality. If you are keen on linking your devices to a smart TV for a seamless YouTube experience, here's how you can achieve it. To cast YouTube from your phone, tablet or computer to your TV, ensure both devices are connected to the same network. Begin by opening the YouTube app on both your smart TV or streaming device and your mobile device. On your mobile device, select the video you wish to watch and tap the cast icon in the video player. From the list of available devices, choose your smart TV or streaming device. Once connected, the video will play on your TV. To stop casting, simply click the cast icon again and select Stop Casting. For those who aren't connected to Wi-Fi, you can still watch YouTube on your TV by linking your phone or tablet to your smart TV or streaming device using a TV code. This method doesn't work with computers, so you'll need to use the cast feature instead. To link devices with a TV code, follow the on-screen instructions provided by YouTube. If you wish to unlink devices that were previously connected using a TV code, you can do so either through your smart TV or streaming device settings, or via the YouTube app on your mobile device. Lastly, you can also use the YouTube app as a remote control for your TV. By tapping the cast icon and selecting Remote, you'll gain access to an on-screen remote to manage your cast experience. Some smart TV remotes are also compatible with this feature, allowing you to control the cast without additional setup. For those who prefer voice commands, certain devices support voice controls to manage the cast. Simply tap the microphone icon after selecting the cast option and speak your command. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.